Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Philippine Sports Writers Association Esports Forum. We are live here at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex conference hall. And this morning, we will have a two-part session with our guest from the world of boxing and women's sports. Atin pong i-recognize ang the best and the brightest of boxing and also the top performers in women's sports. I'm Randy Calawag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Hope that you are with us here, ground floor conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building. Hope that you are also with us through our live streaming sa PSA Facebook page. That's www.psa page, and of course on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paling sports radio. Judy Karingal po.
Partner, bago mo ipakilala ang ating first set of guests, nais nating pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors in behalf of PSA President Nelson Beltran of the Philippine Star. Maraming salamat po, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, SMART, PLDT, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
And yes, first part, to talk about the second Pacquiao-Quilorde Awards night on March 20, we have the wife and husband tandem, mga boxing promoter po ito, Ma'am Liza and Johnny Elorde, and of course, the son, Miguel Elorde, former WBO Asia Pacific champion and now WBC rating committee member. Okay, Miguel Elorde. And of course, one fighter from their stable who will be seeing action in the blow by blow this coming March 20. No other than Arvin Magramo. Okay, welcome to the PSA Forum. Nice to have you here. Ma'am Lisa, please, your opening remarks.
Thank you very much, Judith and Randy. Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's nice to be back here. Medyo matagal na kami hindi nakadalaw, but nonetheless, we always, respect and love the Philippine Sports Writers Association. You have been here for so long a time, and you have always supported the Elorde boxing, but also Philippine boxing as a whole. So thank you very much for inviting us here.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at maraming naman salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin dito.
Arvin and
Miguel.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita po sa amin dito at maraming salamat na po.
Okay na. Good morning po everyone. Thank you PSA for inviting us and thank you for supporting Filipino boxers.
yes. So, simulan natin kay Ma'am Lisa and Sir Jan dito. It used to be, for many years, Elorde Sports Hall of Fame Awards, Boxing Hall of Fame Awards. Now, we have partnered with boxing great Manny Pacquiao for this award. Can you tell us more about your partnership and also the coming awards night on March 20?
Okay, for the past 23 years, that was when we started the Gabriel Flash Elorde Memorial Awards Banquet of Champions. Inumpisahan mo namin yon noong year 2000 and we lasted for 23 years. The last episode was done in 2023. After that, we had trilogy kasi nagkaroon ng pandemic, so natigil kami. But in 2023, present namin yon we called it trilogy, yung 3 taon na medyo natigil. And it was a very successful years, 23 years of giving honor and recognition to our professional and amateur boxers. Now, in year 2020 for last year, of course, you know that Manny Pacquiao has always been there as one of the awardees. Sinabi niya sa amin, pwede ba tayong mag-collaborate? Yun ang sinabi niya. And we thought, now why not? Because, of course, we all know that Pacquiao has done a very good job as a boxer, known all over the world, and si Daddy Dino, si Flash Elorde. So we said, why not? This will be a very good collaboration between Manny Pacquiao and the Elorde family. So last year, the first Pacquiao Elorde Awards Night was born. And it was very, very successful. I know some of you were there, some of you covered it. And we thank you always for the support that you have been giving us. On March 20, we will be having the second Pacquiao Elorde Awards Night at the Okada, Manila. And sa una ho, I just want to say that just the same thing, parang pattern din yon dun sa Banquet of Champions. Meron kaming boxing, which will start at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And then at 6 o'clock, this will be followed by the banquet and the awarding ceremonies.
Okay, maraming pong salamat. Balikan po namin kayo for more, Sir Johnny. Sir Johnny, ito po, of course, nandyan pa rin yung Elorde, ninyo, no? Management ninyo. This sport is one. Ano po kaya ang thoughts ni Daddy, dahil lagi niyo po siyang nakakausap being a boxing great, no? For these awards at sa mga kapwa Pilipino. Ano po itong importance ng award na ito para sa mga boxers?
Sigurado, tuwa siya na nabigyan natin ng karangalan ng mga Pilipinong boksingero natin ngayon. At lalo sila sumigda, magkaroon pa lalo ng champion.
Yung po mga boxers ngayon, no? Looking forward to this, itong awards night na ito, lagi po ito, hinihintay po nila. Sino po yung mga iba pang a-awardan sa gabi na ito?
Of course, just like what I've mentioned, meron tayong sinasabi ng Boxers of the Year. Ito yung mga main awardees. We are awarding the boxers that made it good in year 2024. So yung mga lahat na nag-champion na boxers, whether it's international, it's world, it's regional, it's Philippine champion, it's amateur, kagaya ni Nesty, Peteshen, Ira, i-award namin yun. Ngayon, yung Boxers of the Year, who ang nag-champion kasi, our world champion in year 2024 are two fighters, si Melvin Jerusalem and si Pedro Taduran. So sila yung major awardees dito. Sila kumbaga yung mga bida for this one. And then aside from that, meron tayong Philippine champion, yung mga regional champion, plus meron pa tayong mga, those personalities who help develop the sport, like yung manager, trainer, yung mga gano'n.
Thank you, ma'am. Si Mix naman. Mix, former boxing champion, of course, now involved as WBC ratings committee member and also boxing manager, no? So I think itong sa blow by blow na alam mo to. Sino ba yung mga top natin dito prospect? Aside from Arvin, mamaya balikan natin. Sino ba yung mga top prospects natin na lalaro sa gabi na to?
Yung dito po sa blow by blow, magandang laban po dahil yung kay Roderick Bautista pati yung kay Bonita po, parehong undefeated po yung maglalaban. So dapat abangan po, pati yung Makilan and Larasan, parehong magandang laban po yun for the Philippine title po. Yung isa po WBC Asia. May laban din po si Eman Bacosa.
Yun nga, si Eman, maraming sa social media, maraming nagpa-follow. Anong masasabi mo kay Eman na sa boxer?
Magaling po, saka palagi naman po nag-training.
Saan nag-training si Eman?
Sa Davao po.
Sa Davao. Sino ba yung mga boxers mo dito, manager? Para ma-mention natin.
Sa amin po may mga bago po kami, yung Nunez, si Joel Garcia, pati yung Alex Titiros.
Si Jersey Nunez,
Joel Garcia.
Ito, Gordon. Ayun, balikan ka namin. Si Arvin naman. Arvin, ito na ba yung so far magandang laban mo at corona na para sa iyong karir?
Opo, para sa akin po ito po yung pinagandaan ko talaga na laban kasi international, kung sakaling manalo ako, makapasok po ko sa world ranking po sa WBC po. Kaya pinagigila ko po ngayon.
Yung daw mga kalaban mo, itong Rene Mark Cuarto for the vacant WBC International High Flyweight title ay from Congo? From anong bansa?
Davao po. Philippines na.
Mark Cuarto.
Si Rene Mark Cuarto, oo nga pala. Kanina iba pala yung pinag-uusapan natin, ito yung kalaban ni Emma. Ito si Rene Cuarto, former, anong masasabi mo sa laban niya nito?
Tingin ko magiging maganda naman po kasi yung pag-ensayo ko tamang-tama po eh. Yung preparasyon po namin ngayon sa darating ko pong laban. Napakaganda po ng preparasyon po namin.
Okay, maraming salamat.